I'm Kaylee. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along on all of my fun 15th birthday festivities. I celebrated my actual birthday on Thursday and I did like a little intimate ice cream rooftop thing in downtown Brooklyn with my family, but I couldn't really vlog that because it was a little bit smaller and I just wanted to have that memory with them. But I will insert a little bit of Snapchat footage right here. We are going to go blacklight bowling, so I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm not wearing this outfit, I'm still home, but I'm going to head over to my grandma's house because we're there every Sunday, and then I'm going to go get changed. And then we are going to head over to the bowling place, so I'm going to bring you guys along there so you can hang out with my friends and see what's happening and get some really cool footage because it looks so pretty inside, and it's going to be super fun to document because this has been such a fun birthday already, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along and to be able to experience this so I can look back and watch this video and remember like the day I turned 15. So I just came from my grandma's house. We're on the way over now. I changed into this top. I'll show you guys a little bit better of like I can't say what I'm saying. I'll show you guys a better view of the outfit once I get outside of the bowling place because you can't really see what I'm wearing when I'm sitting in this car. But we're doing pretty well on time. I think we're gonna get there on time, and I'll update you guys when we get to the bowling place so that I can... How many times have you knocked it off at the table? Oh my god. Again? too much talking footage while I was inside because there was music, and I'm definitely not trying to get copyrighted. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and watch all of my other videos because I have a couple more that I posted that were awesome. And I'm so glad I took you guys all on this video. Everyone is here watching me film this outro.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.